na Dunkin.
Hindi ka mahal. Pero, pharmacy.
Okay.
No, ano pa eh? No, ano yun? No tawag doon? No Saika? Ano yun? White Cast?
No white cast.
Jewel of the South, shining with festival.
Kaya hindi pwede ko. Is mag-ikot ako.
City, our home, our treasure, and our pride. Join the Brigada Advocacy for a sustainable jobs revolution by attracting more travelers to discover the delightful Philippines. Be the heart of the delightful Philippines. Isang bayan, isang tahanan. Sabay-sabay nating palakasin ang tulong, trabaho at turismo.
Ayaw din magpawad ng jeep eh.
Meron man ganito to. Ipapatong ko lang dyan. Pero pag ganyan mo, and if you wanna see yourself, you just do that, oh. Hey. So, hi guys. So, for today's video, we are on our way to Limpapa. So, we're not going to Limpapa Bridge, okay? We're going to Hanas Beach Resort, where we have Kubo Kubo. And it's by the seaside. So, my attire is matching it. Curtain, no? Dahil mainit dito ngayon, it's so caliente. Caliente aquí, 41 degrees Celsius ang heat index. So, meron po akong driver. Laki ng tiyan.
Laki ng tiyan na.
Yes. Shout out pala sa mga members natin dyan. This is iced coffee, by the way. And as usual, Zamboanga City is so super traffic. It's so like Manila. Pareho sila ma-traffic. Grabe.
Sunday, hindi traffic sa Manila.
Ah, okay. So here, it's very traffic.
Kasi brown out.
Hindi man yan because of brownout.
Labas ng mga tao. Sa Manila hindi traffic kasi nag-stay lang sa bahay yung iba.
So my cats is at the back. They are on the crib. Cat crib. Kasi naglalagas yung buhok ni Autumn. Kaya dun muna siya. Bakit? We are in Sinaloa.
Malakas din ng boses.
Yes, para akong naka-mic.
Clear?
Yes. Meron nga, tingnan mo, hindi ka nanonood ng vlog ko.
Hindi, piniplay ko lang.
Ha?
Nakita ko to, pero hindi ko pinakinggan.
Bakit?
Sabi ko, pinalita.
Nainis ka?
Hindi man.
Noon sa
Wala akong mainis. Kasi nagka-notify man dyan.
Kaya
hindi mo makita sa story ko, nakapanood.
hindi. Ay wala, nagde-delete ka ng story mo. Ay, history mo.
History. Kasi magdami na kasi.
Kasi ayaw mo lang makita ko.
Nanonood ako?
Oo.
Tama.
Di baka mapanood kita, makita ko, iba yung pinapanood.
Ha?
Baka iba makita ko na iba yung pinapanood mo.
Ay, wala man din. Mga song lang ganyan. Kasi nagpa-practice. Motor lang naman sa likod. Bajau. Yan yung Bajau. I-edit mo lang yan, tanggalin mo yung boss.
Ayun yung
Naka-play ba yan?
Bajau House.
Naka-record na yan?
Yes. Bajau House.
Yes, welcome to Barangay Maasim. As in, maasim talaga dito.
Maasim ang amoy ba? Kasi parang yung tain nila yata dumidiretso sa baba, no? I know, I went to their house ba?
Yeah.
Last time,
Yeah,
nung first time ko dito.
Oh, yeah.
Nagpunta tayo doon, di ba? Tapos,
Mostly naman kasi nakatira dito sa coastal. Mostly sila. Walang kita yun. Ganito, kotse. Mamaya na may motor, nag-stop, tapos tricycle. Ganun talaga. Tas
bakit niya pinatay?
Tapos may kotse na naman dumating, nagtulong. Ay na.
Pinatay na naman.
Hindi na napatay, yun ang
Binaril
problema.
na naman.
Hindi napatay.
Eh, anong nangyari doon sa nang Limpapa, Zamboanga City. Kala niyo hindi city ha. City yan.
Hindi pa rin.
This is part of the city. Ooh, ganda oh, ang view oh. Parang we've never been here.
Hindi.
Dinadaanan niyo pa natin ito papunta doon pa uwi.
Paunta sa Limpapa Bridge.
Yan, kita niyo yung dagat, may barko pa. Guys, natatain na ako dito ah. Tapos naiihip din. Masakit din yung ulo ko. Caliente. Bien caliente for 1 degrees. O bakit wala nang Limpapa Bridge?
Doon pa sa unahan nyo.
Flood free area.
Malapit na.
So hey guys, nandito tayo sa Hanas Beach Resort. So I'll show you. This is in Limpapa. Still part of Zamboanga City. It's Limpapa, Zamboanga City. And nakita ko lang siya sa FB din. Nakikita niyo pala yung car sa likod, no? May dent yung sasakyan ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nakuha. But anyway, we'll see. We're gonna have a tour. And I will show you around kung ano yung pinagagawa ko dito sa Zamboanga City. So, this is part of the Hanas Beach Resort, no? Meron silang chicken inasal with unlimited rice. We'll go there later on. But anyway, they have also a tiki bar. So, I guess they sell like alcohol and that. Yeah, it's fun. Beach and drink. Hanas Beach Camp. Chill, sun, see, and eat. And then, there's like the traditional store, Filipino store. So, yan yung store namin nung unang panahon. Anyway, so there's light here. I guess it's nice at nighttime. And this kubo here is our kubo. So I'm with the cats as well. Nandun na sila sa taas, but I'll show you there later on. So yan, may mga plants siya. And you can eat here. I think it's called Aloha. Yeah. Okay. So that's the scene na. And then we'll go there later on. And this is the toilets. There you go. Basic toilet. And then you have like cottages in here. I think what I got is kubo and cottage. I think that's what I asked. And it's 1,000 pesos. So that's about 12 pounds if you ever come here in Mindanao, Zamboanga City. With coffee and friends, beach and bay, the hammock, and then obviously here. So these are the other kubo siguro, I don't know. They have hammock here too. And tent, so you can also rent that. No shirt, no shoes, no problem. Sand, surf, and sun. No? Wiki. And here you go, beach cafe. It's 99 pesos, so that's about 1 pounds and 20 pence. 50 pesos is about 50p, and that's a surfing thing. Yes, surfing thing. I go. I love the hammock. I want to stay in the hammock later on. And then to pass, and then I guess this is another thing, and that's for stuff maybe. And that's like a communal. wash area, dishwasher area, communal toilets. Because this is also open to public, but obviously you have to pay for entrance, no? I don't want to dub, so I'll just do it like this. And then we'll go to the seaside. I want to stay here in the hammock. Please. Stay here. Oh no, let's die. Ganda nga. Life is beautiful here in the Philippines. Good vibes only. Only, can you read it? You can't read it. Good vibes only. Beach camp. There's karaoke over there. Then let's go to the seaside. Let's walk around. Meron siyang karaoke there.
Saan?
Doon no, meron din silang tents. Aray ko, may adaputon. No, this is the house, no? Oh, no, let's go up. Although this is like so super dangerous. Like, it's not safe at all. Alright. So this is a Cuba. And these are my pets and stuff with me. And that's the sea. This is green. You'll avoid sand coming in. And it's a pebbled sea. And this is how you can see inside, no? It's like winter! Way, hello! Hello, Baba! And they're coming everywhere I go. Tomorrow we'll be in Tangub and Cagayan de Oro. Our mommy so walay. So this is it. But it's basic lang. It's really basic. You'll just have like a foam and pillows and blankets. From here, would it be better if there's nothing like this? No, there's no screen, so you can see it clearly. But anyway, you'll see it later on. I'm gonna go now because it's really tiring, no? I'm gonna turn you around the seaside. Oh my god. Nakakatakot siya. As in, so nakakatakot talaga. It's only because it's very steep and it's not secured. So pag maarte kang katulad ko, ito yung maganon din, no? Anyway, here we go. This is a Hannes Beach camp. And it's ano siya? Pebble, stony. And that's your view. Please don't mind the basura. Don't mind the dirt. And those are like houses, people living around here. And I think that's a primary school or something. And that's my Nipaha, my Kubo. Like, so this is it. It's really refreshing. It's very near the Pueblo, where they call the center. I think it's not actually near, so you have to have a service when you come here. It's actually an hour away from Pueblo. Okay. So yesterday we were in mountains, and now we are by the seaside. We'll see you in a bit. I'll show you later on how it looks like at night, because you will appreciate it at night. And also it's still too hot for me to go and dip myself in the water. I don't really naliligo sa beach, kaya lang there we go. We'll try everything. Bye. Soba ng baboy. Ay, so the bait ng autumn na yan. Bait. Bakit anak? Naunsa na walang aircon, nak? Walay aircon? Bakit walay aircon? Wawa naman. Luoy na oh. Wala ding aircon sa lola mo? Hmm?
Hindi na mainit doon.
Ando ka man. Uy! Saan punta? Ay. Hingal-hingal, dila-dila, ang labas dila ang day. Labas dila, zay. Zay. Labas dila, zay. Tunsa ka man diha, zay. Binibidyohan kita. Kung kaya ko iwanan ka. Hey, Pogi. Pogi na may bilbil. Iyoko nga. Pogi na may bell-bells. You're the only life that's come to know without you. Ow! Nothing without you is gonna be blue and kumukuha ako ng pang live ko ba? Yung sang. Hindi siya mag-gumpo.
Ay, okay.
To say I love you. I just know it from the bottom of my heart. And I know how I and you. And what it is that I done ordinary time. I should go to say I love you. I just go to say how much I care.
Technology itself delays us sometimes. Though it's a life partner of every individual nowadays, but still, you need to spare yourself from the technology. Even
Yes, Pastor.
5%.
That's
Hindi, tama
that's
yan.
right, Pastor.
Collective. Sabi ko nga, what are you now? Tama ba?
Yeah.
What are you now when there's no technology? Pina-assignment ko sa kanila. Alam mo ba, ang layo ng sagot nila.
Ano?
Ano daw, matutulog na lang daw agad-agad. Oh my God.
Ano ba?
Nabangka.
Ganda. Mo kung nagkapiling ka, kasabay lang unti-unting pumapatak, kasabay ng hangin nag-iiyak na. Good morning, world! Good morning, Limpapa, Zamboanga City. Good morning, Hanas Beach Resort. Oh, camp pala. The winter, anak. Pag winter naman na na yan. Ito naman.
There,
Ato.
boat.
Tom.
Sa boat, the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Dati wag ka daw magano sa rainbow kasi maputol daw ang daliri.
Kunyari lang siya.
Bakit dalawa?
Ay, there's another budding rainbow.
Siya umiinom daw yan ng tubig. Yun sa mga kabataan. Look do. Ito rainbow, mas ano na siya dahil may sun na.
Ayan, pinipicturean ko sa laga. Sinatsyampuhan ko lang na nakatingin silang dalawa ba. Curious na yung mga yan.
Kita naman ang mga takbo niyan.
Guys, pauli na kami, magpauli na. Yan man ang pusa. Winter, si Baba, pag uli na. Oy, no. Tapos si Atom. Ito, mabait yan eh. Si Winter yung makulit. Very, very makulit. So, we're leaving na Hanas Beach Camp. So, this is a beach camp ha, hindi siya beach resort. Bye-bye. Atom say bye. Winter say bye. Bye, bakla. Mga bakla, bye-bye na kami, mga bayot. Bye-bye na kami, mga bayot. Guwapa naman si Atom. Atom. Dibahan ay? Manok. Ha? Nagsulti ka og Bisaya para di lang mabaligyan, ha? There's chicken over there. Oh, Tom. Looking at the chicken, Tom? Chicken. Nice for tinola. Huh? Nice for tinola, the chicken.